Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We've got a special one for you tonight. We're going to Lex Exotics. They are actually hosting a car meet in Nicholasville. So if you're in the Lexington area and you are going to this, give me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. We're headed to Sam's Club right now to actually go get gas, because this baby's almost out. This is my boy Josh over here.
Yep.
He's gonna be riding along and tagging along and checking out the car scene with us today. Got some steak and shake. How was your burger?
It's pretty good.
Yeah?
Pretty good.
What'd you get?
Fresh come out with some fries.
I always get the original, so. The original's pretty good. Just a single. All fill it up. Let's go.
Party time.
Party time indeed. Party time every night, every day. You know, I always get nervous that I forgot to pull the thing out. Pull the gas pump out.
I
always look over and I'm like, oh my God, did I do it?
I always make sure my stuff is closed too. Maybe the main thing I forget is to close it back.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it, I swear.
I don't got nothing on me.
Alright guys, so we're actually pulling up to the car meet now. Let's see what we got. I hope there's parking. I might just pour it here. Hey!
Can you leave your lights on?
Yeah!
Your underglow?
Yeah,
just
of course.
Park it behind that Lotus if you don't care.
Gotcha, yes sir.
All right.
Thank you. Well, hey, look at that. We got a front and center spot. That's so cool. We just got a front and center spot because of the underglow. That's dope. That's so dope.
Good thing.
Let's do this. So we got a front and center spot. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, so this might be. Let's go check this out. Oh wow. Yep. Yeah, so this is Lex Exotics for you. It's pretty tight. And my buddy Michael actually, he DJ'd here for their opening. I don't know if it was this room or if it was a different room. So it looks like you got an M3 right here. See, the gloss carbon fiber looks really good on like the outside. That's what I'm determining. I don't know if I want to do gloss or matte, which one I want to do. I care a little bit. So cool. These things surprisingly are not as expensive as you'd think. But with this, the doors open upward like that. I think in this one, they should open up like that. It's either the butterfly doors or the dragonfly doors. I don't know which one. I forget.
Yeah, this right here.
Nice, isn't it?
Hey, I've never been as close to Lamborghini.
Really?
Never.
What about that car meet that we went to?
Was there one there?
that there might have been one. I can't remember though. So I've actually looked at the forged carbon fiber also.
Hot. This is something they had in Fast and Furious. It's like
I know, it's an old Camaro, like Camaro Z28. That thing's cool. It's got the T-top on it. GT3 Touring. I think that's the new 2024. I think it's either 2023 or 2024.
nice Porsche though.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
I don't
totally.
shoot my camera anymore.
So those are the wheels that I'm looking at for my car as far as like the color. The darker bronze.
Yeah, they be tight.
I know.
Hey,
Hey, what's up? How you doing?
How you doing?
Good. Yeah. Haven't seen you in a while.
Yeah.
How's life? Yeah.
see, I want to do something like this. Yeah, like the lights on here. Cause he has the lights like on all through the truck.
Yeah, so that's what happens when you put like 3 rock lights under it. So it's 3 instead of just 1.
Yeah.
That's a lot of lights. And then this, he has 1, 2. He has 4 lights under there, I think.
That must be the 8 packing plus.
I don't know. Yeah. Or that's like multiple packs, you know, or something.
If you go like with Gov or whatever the thing we have.
Yeah. I want to get one of these. I've actually looked at renting these for us. Dude, this thing is sick. I've seen it in videos before, but never have I ever seen it like in person.
Yeah, this is clean right here.
It's got the window that comes down and everything. This is like where they do all the pictures and stuff in here.
It's like it's pretty neat.
This is just the standard 4x4. G550. I mean, it's got the off-road package, but still, it's a dime piece. See, so that carbon fiber right there is like, that's the matte carbon fiber versus the gloss carbon fiber. I don't know, which one do you like better? You think?
Honestly, this one.
That one.
Yeah.
Because I'm actually, so that's what I'm doing with my mirrors right there.
Right here?
Yeah, I'm doing that with the mirrors. So, because the mirror caps that I bought didn't fit, so I'm having to wrap them instead.
What do you have right now? Is that same thing?
Different mirrors, but yeah, the wrap, yeah. I have 2 different kinds of wrap right now.
See, that right there, this right here.
B12, yep.
Oh boy.
Gotta get one of these. All right, so we'll go outside and see what's going on out there. So this wrap is actually, he did this wrap when his brother died. His brother recently died. He had a Black Panther wrap on before this, and this is in honor of his brother. Hey, this is your, it's all you.
Well, see, I told her I said I'm not a big 4 fan, but you know, all I'm saying
That's
is,
awesome. I'm not a big 4 fan.
all I'm saying. Well, first of all,
Chevy or GMC? Well, I was trying to be nice to him, but okay.
Do you know me?
I mean, he had it himself, of course. This came right out of him. Bro, I'm just
See, I want to see that. I want to check that one out right there.
Oh, the Fox body?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Brian's coming.
Hey, that's it's pretty. Hey, I'm gonna stay in the ticket. That's over there. That sounds so damn cool.
No, I can't tell if this is the wrap that's making the. Yes, it is. What is this wrap?
Yeah, those are Mickey Thompson.
Yo, what is this wrap?
Yep.
Do you see the cross wrap?
Yeah, nice meeting you, man.
That's awesome.
Your name is C.
Especially this year.
What year is this? You know?
2018 or 19, I'd say. Yeah, you could ride around in that, couldn't you?
Josh said, tailgating, no problem. Club life, no problem. Chauffeur, problem.
Yeah, that's what you said.
No problem, chauffeur.
Hey, I'll drive.
Be careful there.
Yeah.
Hey, be careful there.
Hey.
This
Is
thing's
there a bathroom?
Hey, just remember, Josh. Just remember, if you give me champagne.
Yeah, it's got a TV back there. It's got shades.
Where?
It's got a TV back there. It's got
Sheesh.
shades. It's got limo lighting.
Exterior speakers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Josh is living the lifestyle now. This is where Josh posts his
There's a guy in
store
Florida
right here.
who has one of these.
He's on the GoPro though.
And this thing actually reclines all the way into a bed. So these things will recline into a bed. That back one and that back one will recline into one bed, so you can sleep 2 people back there. So it can sleep 4 people technically.
Sheesh.
And it can ride 8. Probably a bathroom. Damn, Josh. Josh is moving the whole damn thing.
I thought that was me moving this.
Josh, you gonna tip this thing over?
Listen to you, Beth. You shit to the damn van.
Bro, he's
The
gonna.
van
kitchen.
the van's literally.
Kitchen?
Yeah.
Josh, the van's literally doing this.
The
And
van's
she's
about-
walking back
Hey,
and forth.
hey, the van might be doing this right now. It's about to be going.
If I went any farther
in a
back,
minute.
if I went any farther back, I probably would have.
Hey, it's got under 20 miles. 60
Literally.
miles on it.
Literally.
Only 500.
She.
If you look at that table over there, there's much more for sale. It's only 500 Ds.
Take it away. Take it away. Take
You
it
know you
away.
want to look at it some more.
No.
You know you want to look at it some
You
more.
want it, period.
She wants to look at it some more. She's like, hey.
Hey, look at that table over there.
She's going to convince you.
You know where I'm parked at?
That's
Look
real
at
good turn, bro.
Well, hey, we're technically still in Lexington.
Yeah, I came over like I helped.
Technically, we're not because we're past the county line. But you know,
It's called Lex Exotics, right?
I mean,
Yeah.
I mean-
it is called Lex Exotics. I mean, hey. Drive it through the trees. Damn, that's so tough. I don't know which one. Between the gloss and the matte.
don't you already got this one right here?
I have both sets. I have both of the carbon fibers. I have a roll of this and a roll of that. But I don't know which one to.
See, I want how much these cost.
This, actually not as much as you think. They're around, what, they're 100 plus, I know that. They're 100 plus. But
You can tell he's been drumming for a while. Brakes.
I mean, yeah, all these cars get driven. You know, I don't even know if we should open it.
Yeah, that's why I didn't do it.
I was like, is that an electric wood? Damn, bro. It plugs into a standard? That's it? I've been looking at getting a lift. And I didn't know that they just plugged into this. Just plug in your regular wall outlet.
That camera.
That's like online besides the carbon fiber stuff. Hey, but I knew he'd show. It was obvious.
Yeah, I told you he was.
California. I've driven one of these.
It's gonna be 50-50 if this works.
What's that for?
I just want to touch it.
Yeah, honestly.
He just slapped it. Stop it. Don't touch the horsey, bro. You can touch horses every day.
Hey, yo.
Okay, look, to be fair, Josh is never going to touch the horse again, so let him have a moment with the horse. Okay.
We're like the first Ferrari I see in person.
Why does that sound like a Mustang?
That's what I thought it was. That's what I thought it was.
I think he just cut everything off.
It's going, it's going. Like I said,
Imagine this Brian just ripped his guitar.
I don't know if it's tuned.
Alright, Brian, hit me a solo right now. Give me Tennessee whiskey. Just That's fucking
Because we're having a moment, guys.
Exactly.
It's out of tune, dude. We need to tune it up. But
Tennessee whiskey sounded really good.
Alright guys, well that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you haven't already, check out Lex Exotics in Lexington, Kentucky. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. What's your favorite car here? They've got a ton of cars here. What's your favorite one? I want to hear down below. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be the carbon fiber wrap install. As you all know, we got the carbon fiber mirror caps again, and we tried installing them, they didn't fit, so we're going to be wrapping the mirrors. And I've got a little bonus for you all as well, so stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video. big shout out to Josh for videoing today. Hopefully you all can see something. If y'all couldn't, well, we tried. So I'll see you all in the next video. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that good stuff. Hit that bell icon. You all know what to do. Let's go.